Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. I have another haul video or unboxing to you guys. I found this one in Hermes website, and also I ordered from Gucci in store in John Lewis, and also from Flannel. So let's start with a Nars that I got from John Lewis. John Lewis is having on sale at the moment, and I found this three here because this is from Nars. I found this one on sale for £7. I said, oh my god, might as well to get this because I'm collecting nail polishes from luxury brand. So this one over here, this color is called Fearless. So this is the color for this, and I like mauve or mauve color, and yeah, just so nice. Oh my god, it's another add on my collection as well. Can't wait to try that once. And the next one is Ikero. So this one it's a cute name. So this one is the blue one. This is the blue one. I never had a nail polish blue yet. Well, I do have from like OPI or other brand like that, but they are not good anymore. So the brush itself, it's nice. It's more wide, which is nice. It has a smell to it, like very strong. So that's the second one. And the third one, there are a few actually in there, but I don't like metallic nail polishes, of course. You can't go wrong with red. I like red nail polishes, every time if I buy a nice expensive nail polishes, I'd rather be stick with red because red is always suit on my nails. And so yeah, this is only £7. The original price for this is, I guess they're having like a, yes, $12.75 for this. So it's not actually bad, even though it's not on sale, but it's still not bad price for 12, almost £13. And especially this is a Nars, so yeah. So let's move on to the Gucci. I found this one because the one I purchased is, let's show you guys. So I like to purchase every little things in Gucci because of the free pouch. Yes guys. Look at this, you give me another free pouch again. And this one is, it's quite different from the other one. This one is small, and it says Gucci 100. So yeah, it's different pouch. It's more like a cheap one now. Does it look like the other one that I had? So yeah, it just so that's why it wasn't before. It was, the material was like this. So that's why I ordered one by one in Gucci because of the free pouch. So yeah, this is a, and like I said, comes with this eyebrow pencil because the one that I got from Benefit, guys, is not my shade. Even though I have the old one before, I keep that so in case when I buy another one, I know what my shade is. That's number 3, but same thing, number 3, but this one, it's more like a brown. I don't like brown for my eyebrow. I'm more on the taupe because more like a natural shade. So I found this one in Gucci, and hopefully it will be nice and nice shade. This is actually, it says taupe, and guys, it comes with this. It comes, yay, thank you Gucci. And that's Gucci. I do have Chanel and Gucci sharp pencils, so yes, can't believe this. So yeah, it's quite long, and the end has this brush as well, so which is good because sometimes I do have a brush, like I do love the Estee Lauder, but I can't find that anymore. So hopefully this one is good. I probably, it should be good because this is my shade taupe anyway. So hopefully Gucci never discontinued this color. So yeah, hopefully it's not too dark. I always suit me the taupe color on my eyebrow. So that's the packaging looks like. So I'm gonna put this one over here so it won't miss, and this one as well, and the shopping bag. So let me put all together in here. So from Hermes, guys, from Hermes, I ordered this on a website. So I found this one. You know, I'm collecting the really big packaging, but actually this is only the, let me sit aside. This is a book. You know, I'm collecting, like I said, I'm collecting a coffee table from any fashion house. So this is, I found this one on the Petite Itch, and then I'm glad they have this stock. Oh my god, this is the English version. Let me open it. They still have plastic, guys. I don't know, it says in here Hermes pop-up. I'm interested for this book. Oh, I can't wait to have display this if you have like a really nice coffee table. Let me put this. So see, guys, what really is this? Oh, okay. So that's the front, and then it's actually, that's what it is. It's like the pop-up. This is the it's like a storybook, to be honest with you. And let's see the other one. Oh my god, this is so cute. What is this one? Okay, I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting with me. It has this one over here that's pretty thick. I don't know how to open that. And the next one like that. Holy moly! Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, look. So guys, I opened page by page of this. Oh my god. If you are interested with this guy, go have in this. And oh, this one, it's rotate, look. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god. I'm really glad that I purchased this. This is like 30 pounds. I don't mind that. Anyway, since this is, I'm gonna display on my coffee table. This is out of my collection. So yes. Next is this from Flannel. I went there last week, and there's one item that they don't have in stock in store, so I ordered these two together, so I pick up in store as well. So yeah, I came over there and pick up this. The bag actually, it reminds me of Chanel. So this is in here, guys. It's open up this. Since I ordered this online. Oh, it's nice to give you like a pouch, a traveling pouch. Wow, that's a nice. So this is my invoice, I think. And the brand I bought is from Gani. They are clothing as well, guys. They put one by one of this. Actually, the Gani, they're having on sale. So this is 60. The original price is 65. I think I paid for this for 47. This is the extra small. I hope they have double extra small, but this is quite big. What I like about this is this one over here, the name Gani. You know, I like t-shirt, guy. I like loose shirt t-shirt, because sometimes during summer times it does really, you know, good just wearing a t-shirt. But I will try this on. It looks like quite big on me, but hopefully I can, you know, style this. And yeah, I probably get, I don't know, guys. I will try this on after I film this video because it's quite big. And so the last item is this brand Comb This Garcons. Guys, this is my favorite brand tea. Oh my god, I have few of this, and this is size small. I think I order extra small, but she give me small. Oh my god, because Yeah, I ordered as extra small and she gave me small. Oh my god. See, that's why I don't like purchasing online, because she's the one who doing this to me, because you can order online while you were in store. But the one I have in store, it's extra small. I have small like this, but it's quite loose on me. So that's why I prefer the extra small. So I like the heart, and I also like the small heart in here. It's so cute, guys. Anyway, I will try this tomorrow because I asked for extra small and she put small of this. Even though I said to one extra small for the extra small, this is good one extra small, but this one is, I think they have, I'm pretty sure I have extra small, but she put small. Anyway, that's what it is, a white one. So there you go, guys. That's it for my whole video today. I hope you do like it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.